Guys, it's necessary. I gotta ride this thing, right?
Absolutely.
Let's go. Let's see you boys later. You hear those bald eagles? You hear? Dodge Demon, we're gonna give you a cold start because we're backing up anyways. Oh my god, dude, the one finger clutch is so...
Good.
Come see what we're doing. You guys saw before me polishing this side of the tank. So I was testing out my combo, found it, worked perfect. So I want you to come and roll the light over this side of the tank, which is not done, to this side of the tank, which is done. Guys, thank you so much for watching. That is a wrap. Please like, subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit the bell, give us all the love and support. We could use it, we need it, we love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Quickly going over the bikes, polished, ceramic coated, engine parts, all the good stuff. We're gonna put a link in the description for these guys at Iron Anchor Cycles when I get my next Harley, because I'm going to, after working on these again. It was like, dude, shit, need that. Go to these guys right away. They're amazing, and such good people. We'll also list all the parts that are on these bikes, especially the purple one. It's endless. I don't know. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in. As you guys can see, we got some sick shit coming. It's American Madhouse in here. Got to do the Nova, got to do the Trackhawk. Demon's done. You guys will probably see that first. But yeah, stay tuned. Love y'all.